I be feeling under pressure, trying to live a righteous life, but shit, I swear these streets will test ya. Work that 9 to 5, still at work, niggas are pressure. But if I kill him, I lose my job, that's the stress of shit. Lock me up forever.
Lock me up forever.
Shit, I'm probably better off, cause out here there is nothing better but the
pussy in the money.
Pussy in the money. But even when you gettin' that, niggas start acting funny. Plus the government ain't shit like the bitches that we hit. And we never get a raise, but they quick to raise the rent. So we stressin' more and more, smoking, drinking, getting bent till our lips is all black like some illegal tent. Liability insurance, we ain't fixin' what we did. Dipping in and out the stash, putting back what we done spent. Shit, all I do is talk some true shit. This is to my real fans, I could get you through shit. Real shit, right. Pray. Pray. New wave, this that new shit. I tell a famous rapper, I'm just trying to get high. You get Street Fighter flow, Ken and Ryu. Tryna do so many tours, nigga, I could buy you. Tryna do so many whores, nigga, I could fly through any state, make a call, and in minutes I could screw. Almost gave up on this rapping, cause all these rappers is through. They ain't talking about shit, fucking it up for the ones that do. Understand the garbage nigga, but a whole garbage crew. 10 to 12 garbage niggas on the stage like the Woo. What is rap coming to? What is rap coming to? They just handing out the deals to whoever coming through. If you really saying something, they don't wanna hear the truth. Is this world joking with me? Am I living in the spoof? Am I really living proof? How the nicest never noticed? Am I ending my career before I'm ever getting noticed? Should I listen to this shit? All the haters ever told us that we're never gonna make it. Did they rightfully decode us? Did they rightfully decode us? Did they? Let it rock, shot. Shout out to my nigga John. Management is everything. Yeah. I pray that one of us make it. Pray that one of us cake it. Pray that one of us get a top actress and have her naked. Pray for my house with a lawn so we can rake it. Pray I remain the truth so you see exactly who faking. Pray that my uncle Quick live long, Lord, don't you take him, even though he had more blood clots than a Jamaican. I pray.